Hello and welcome to this video where we are going to talk about Crowd 1. And because so many people, at least two, okay, I'm lying, okay. Nobody asked me my opinion, but I will give it to you because I am an expert in this. Really, I'm not joking. So I will give you my opinion on Crowd 1, okay? So after you can like it or not. If you are already in Crowd 1, I can tell you that you don't need to listen to me, to this video. You can quit, bye bye. Because you are already in Crowd 1, so you have to do your job. Your job is to find new customers because this is a Ponzi scheme. A Ponzi scheme means you are going to get paid with the people you get. More people. You need this to put some money into the system because otherwise there is nothing inside the application that you can see here. Uh, I mean, the product of Cold One, what they talk about, is just an excuse. Uh, of course, it's an excuse, it's nothing. And you know, before, a few months before, it was something else totally. It was about online gaming. But they said, oh, yes, we are partner with this company, a well known company, and blah, 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 blah. But then this well known company issued a statement saying that they have no relationship with Code One. So overnight, they changed everything, and now they are talking about something else, not online gaming anymore. But anyway, who cares about this? We know that it's a Ponzi scheme, it's based on MLM compensation plan. But look at the positive side. What needs a Ponzi scheme? It needs to be realistic to appear to have something tangible, a product. And the website needs to be proper, serious. And this is a success. Because, as you can see, the website itself is clean. We look at nice images, text, which means nothing but could mean anything. So it's good. And at the end, you see that they have an app in App Store and Google Play. This gives authority to people watching because they say to themselves, "Oh, they are on Google and Apple." If it was a scam, it would not be on Google and Apple because they look at it and they don't. They make the police for me. And also, you see select language, so many languages, but it's just a Google Translate. Any any person can put this on their site, but it makes like an international company, so many languages. Okay, and you have a tax ID number, so it looks like a company in Spain. Spain is not a tax haven. No, Spain is taxes the European things. So it looks legit, and when you see the words, in fact, they mean nothing. Like impossible is nothing. Okay, adapted for the global market with high-end and real-time mobile technology. Think about it. It doesn't mean anything, but it has nice words. And you know where did the Crowd One emerge? It emerged from Africa, South Africa, especially, and then all the English Africa speaking countries. So I don't know what you are thinking about. What is your opinion about the IQ, uh, QI studies in the world? They measure intelligence, analytic intelligence. So it's IQ in all countries with different tests adapted to the countries, and they make a number of points. I don't know what you think about that. Maybe you think, oh no, everybody is equal. There's no problem of intelligence, but there are those studies exist. You can find them many, and they all reach the same conclusions. That in Africa, in South Africa, after a certain point in Africa, the average IQ in the countries are around 70. Now, in the Western world, in Europe and North America, it's around 100. And the top in the world, they are the East Asian. So South Korea, China, Japan, they are the highest, and they are only about 106 average. 106. And in the Western world, it's around 100. And then you have Africa. Of course, we can talk about others like South America, but talk about Africa because it's where it emerged. In Africa, the average is 70. And I don't know in your country, but in Western countries, in France, below 80, you have handicapped. So you are recognized by the state as being mentally challenged. and so you can receive benefits below 80, and the average of those countries are 70. So an average means half the population have less, half has more, but not so much more. So the average is 70, and that's where it grew. Why? Because Crowd One is possible to pay not only with bank cards but with cryptocurrency, and that's the key because in Africa many people don't have credit card from banks. So if you only provide credit cards, then you are only targeting the Western world or some individuals in Africa who have the credit card and so might have a better education and better analytic skills. But with this, um, with accepting cryptocurrency, it means that people in Africa can buy crypto from local vendors, from people who know how to buy cryptocurrency and then sell it in a local currency to those who want to buy. So they can pay Crowd One and then they can promote after, and that's why it emerges. Do you know that in Africa, that's where people are selling magic wallets? A wallet which will make you all sort of things like be rich, find back your ex-wife or things like this. It's very low IQ, so very easy to fool. And especially if when this website is well done, then there is no chance for them to think more than just what they see, what they are promised. They will believe, so and they can buy it. So they buy it. That's why it emerged. And now it's coming in a French market also, because in Africa you have some countries who speak French who have been contacted by the English-speaking African, and now, and of course there are a lot of people in Africa, but a lot of people speaking French. So now they promote in French also, but in English. So my opinion is just that it's a Ponzi scheme. You know what is a Ponzi? It means it will close at some point. Uh, People, the creators will live with the money, the scam, but a scam at first, who pays? You can get money every week for as long as they pay, and they will pay for some time. Now it's not the end. So if you have no problem with morality, legality, things like this, you can do it because people um, will buy it. So you can get money. You don't have to be a victim of the Ponzi scheme. You can benefit from it. And also for me, why I don't do it is not because of morality. It's because I don't like MLM compensation plans. And you can see inside they have a MLM compensation plan. So that's the end of it for me. I will not go into this because MLM compensation plan, they make it complex just to hide the fact that you are not paid really well. Me, I would be into it if they say something simple like a customer buys 100 euro package and you earn 50 euros. Simple one like this, I will do it. I will sell a 100 euros subscription, but it's not like this. Uh, there are ranks and number of affiliates, many rules, so that if you have this and this and this, then maybe you can earn a little based on points. Many things stupid. I don't like this. And also because it's MLM, you need to talk to other people in your downline. You need to act together as a group in order to reach the ranks, to reach the rules that they made. And this I don't like also. I like solitary work in affiliate marketing. Be my own boss and my own partner. I don't need to talk to other people. Here you need to do is this. Also when you take someone in who buys, you need to talk to him to explain that he needs to promote. I don't want this shit, but if you want it, then go for it. You have at least 1 year, one more year or more before they start to quit. The creator of this come from north of Europe, from Sweden and Norway, and in the Western world, those are the ones with the highest intelligence, not higher than East Asia, but higher than the average of Europe, and so much more higher than in Africa. And I'm not talking bad about Africa. I'm just talking about the studies. But in the Western world, when you have 100, about 100 IQ average, it means many people are 90 and 80. So you have a lot of people that you can sell to. And even the intelligent one can buy it because they know that they will not be victim. They know that they can promote, but they can buy under you. So this can be sold even if there is nothing, no product. It doesn't matter. And it's good in a way, but me, I don't do it. That's it. That's all my opinion on this. Now, if you are already in Code 1 and you didn't need my opinion, if you are not, I cannot tell you not to go for it. But go for it if you already know about selling to other people and making MLM. If you know, then why not? What is the problem with this compared to what you have been doing anyway with other things? Go for it. You won't lose. You will earn money from the others. Most of people will lose, but not you. So go for it. Otherwise, I can recommend you not to do it. If you prefer to be solitary, like affiliate marketing, this is not affiliate marketing. Even if you have been told it is not. So if you like affiliate marketing, no, I don't recommend you to go for it. I recommend you to go to for Builderall. So go to justdoall.com and look for my affiliate link to Builderall. But it's another story. It's way more difficult to sell because there is a real product in Builderall. It's Builderall, and the product is a tool. It needs to be used to do something. So you need to find people who will want to use the tool. With Code 1, you don't need that. You just need people who want to make magic money on the internet with nothing, an application, a mobile technology, real-time, high-end, adapted for the global market. Something stupid, and just say you will make a lot of money. It's easier to sell Code 1 than Builderall. But Builderall can be sold. It is a useful tool, good price, and it can be sold. And once it's sold, you have recurring money, and it's not a Ponzi scheme. So it means that it will be still active in 2 years, 3 years. And if you have a customer that you get into now, you will still get money in 2 years from them. Not in Code 1. Code 1, as soon as they close or before they close, they start to stop paying people. And after they close and they flee. That's how it happened already before with many Ponzi schemes. We know that. It's not a surprise. It's not something new. It's just well done. Yes. All the problems have been eliminated and it's well done. So very efficient. But it won't last forever. Like all Ponzi schemes, because there is no core product. It's nothing useful, in fact. That's why. And also the compensation plan is too boring. In Builderall, it's not like that at all. You can have as many customers you want, and you have even one more level. So it means you can have affiliates. When they sell, you earn the commission, and it's not based on rank or anything. Just they sell, you get commission because they are your affiliates. An infinite number of affiliates. So it's very clear, very simple affiliate program. This I like. There are others also that you can do in affiliate marketing, but Code 1 is not affiliate marketing. It's MLM, but Ponzi scheme. Because MLM is harder because they have a real product, but a stupid product like cosmetic or anything, a product that you can find elsewhere. So that's why it's quite difficult to sell overpriced for nothing. But Code 1 is just the promise of making money by inviting others. And I have some virtual product that is not useful, but it's an excuse for all this, around this. And it doesn't need to be precise. You don't need to explain what it is. Just say you have more power, more performance, more pro. We believe the key to online success is utilizing the latest technology to build a business everyone loves. It means nothing. But and you have nice pictures, so yeah, it's good. That's my opinion. Now I'll put some music about Builderall. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Look, hey, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need's Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rock star. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Look, if you're trying to build the name of your brand, the came with a plan, get your name in demand. With Builderall, you can save your day in advance. Keep the apps automated so you barely need to glance. Listen, think of all the power that you hold. It's a new globe, everyone is grabbing for their phones. Imagine the control, build your passion on your own. And the more that you connect, the more attraction they will show. Not only a sales funnel, look, this is more advanced. This will help you compete, but have the upper hand. Keep your products in demand. It's all in one spot. You don't have to calculate and feel afraid with your thoughts. Automate your response. Drag and drop your site or click map your fans. See the pages they like or use the video rap or capture they sites. Design your own app from scratch, just how you like. Yeah, they designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rockstar. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Design with y'all in mind, let entrepreneurs shine. Tired of the 9 to 5, you starting your own grind and it's alright. They got the tools you need. The connection they designed is truly unique. Never been able to express my views with ease. I move, release, double click, and ooh, I'm pleased. My clients as well, tired of the hoops and leaps. Too many things in the way of my truth and dreams. A Builderall rockstar is what you really are. Tune in on the internet will make you a star. You don't need to study hard, all it takes is a start. Work every day and move higher till you way off chart. Stay on, never sleep on none of the apps. It's a free sign up just so you know in advance. Builderall's for the legends, nothing's holding you back. You got the tools and the plan, you can stay on track. Believe that. They designed a platform for you all. What you want, what you need is Builderall. Build it up, we just answering your call. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall. Yeah, you're a Builderall rockstar. Hey, you can build it all, go hard. Sign up and you'll see we got it all. We're the one-stop shop if your back's against the wall.